My name is Mr. Froggy, and I will give you a kiss. My name is Mr. Froggy, and I will give you a kiss. Na, 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 na. Well, hello everybody. Can you help me? I lost my pod because I'm a fucking retard. Yeah, I think I'm a boy too because I just pissed down Colton's coat jacket, you know? Yeah, but I'm a retard. Will you help me find my pool? Huh? Please? Please help me find my pool. Will you help me? Help me find my pool. Hey, bitch, help me find my fucking pool or I'll piss on you. Help me find my pool. Oh, thanks for helping me find my pool. I guess it's over here. Bye-bye. I give you a kiss now. Get a little bit of tongue action. All right, bye-bye.